everybody, Lisa here, Denver Pilates girl. We're going to be covering crunches on the Bosu ball with a knee lift. So sit on your ball with your legs out in front of you. You're kind of on this lower part, so your sacrum is kind of right into the lower part of the ball. I'm going to lean back a little bit and I'm going to come up and bring up a knee. Lean, come up. So it's a crunch with the knee lift. My back's staying a little straight. I'm looking forward. I'm not looking down. And my hands are helping me. Now, if it's too hard, just drag that leg and start with it out, especially if your hip flexors are bugging you. Crunch up, drag the leg. So you pick which version is going to work best for you. Coming up like this is going to be hard on the hip flexors. Dragging the leg in is going to be a little easier on the hip flexors. So once again, the arms are helping you. You choose which version is going to work best for you. The crunch with the knee lift. See you on your mat. Bye.